No, but I brought you guys something.
Oh, you did? You do telephone. Do you do 20 for everything?
I gotta be the least expensive seller you run into.
Yes.
Probably. This is our local flea market, and my wife Haley and I come out here almost every single week looking for things we could buy super cheap and flip online for a profit. Let's see what we can find today.
Bag and somewhere in her package.
Good talks.
Over there. Supposedly.
Is this yours?
I'm right here, but
That's something. What are you doing for that guy?
I'll let him 12.
Let's see if I got 12 bucks.
That's DDP, buddy.
What's his name?
DDP, ain't it?
I don't know. I know.
You don't know him?
I know
DDP,
Goldberg
he's come
and
out there.
Hulk Hogan.
Wow. And he was good, but he didn't really make anything of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
DDP.
I kind of remember that hand gesture.
Yeah, DDP, man. You have to Google him.
Yeah.
You'll know.
Check it out. We got a big mouth Billy Bats. These things used to sell pretty well, but I don't think they sell much for anymore. Especially when it's all moist.
There's John Cena. I know him.
See any plush we got? Oh, we got a Millennium Falcon. Scooby-Doo telephone back
Oh,
there.
wow.
Mitch, you know whose table this is?
No, but I brought you guys something.
Oh, you did?
I'll tell you, yeah, some of that's Mickey Mouse, but I have some that this is original too. Wake up, buddy. You were sleeping.
Oh, Furbies.
What's that? Me up! It's my Furby. Furby loves your lavender.
I take $25 from you.
$25?
Yeah,
He's the original one.
Yeah.
With the tag.
Wow.
For you guys, I thought about you if you wanted it. For your collection or whatever. But you
Hey,
know,
just because you thought of us, I'll give you 25 bucks for that.
you know what?
I've never found the original one. We see like the newer ones
I
from like
have
2012.
19 original ones. That's the only one out of the box. And I don't know if the other ones work, but I put batteries in that about 2 weeks ago.
Yeah,
Because I didn't have it in the box. I didn't want to take the ones out of the box.
and it works.
We're done.
Look at there.
Oh, you got a bag you want to fill it?
Yeah, we
Is
got
that a breast and butter you got? That's
Yeah.
a new one though, isn't it?
It's 1998, but
Oh
it's
yeah,
some
that's still good.
still
food
good.
stuff.
Yeah, paid 12
So you
bucks
guys
for
are
them.
renovating your home or something? Is that what you're
Yeah,
doing?
we bought another.
Oh, okay. 'Cause that's what my brother-in-law does too. He does that.
We don't know what we're doing. We're trying to learn a little bit at a time.
Thank you for that. You want a little bag for him so you don't put him in like I got?
I'll put them in here. How do you turn them
He makes
off?
a lot of noise. I don't think he turns off by himself. All right.
All right, Mitch, thank you.
I hope you find something.
We'll come back. I want to see whose table that is over there and ask them a couple things. Oh,
John and his wife here.
hello, hello. What do you want on the Millennium Falcon back here?
I'll take. Oh,
Yeah,
I'll take $10 for it.
$10.
It works too.
Little piece missing there.
Oh.
Oh, there it goes.
Well, it's a laser button over there.
Oh, cool.
What about the Scooby-Doo phone?
I'll take 10.
10. Scooby-Doo telephone. Yeah, I'll do 10 bucks for that.
How about 15?
Sure. I'll do that.
I got $2 on the teddy bear.
$2 on the teddy bear.
Little Build-A-Bear dog.
All right, I'll do that one. Let's get that one. He's a bulldog.
Yeah,
That's
let's
cute.
do it.
Okay. 20 bucks. You're good. Thanks, man. That Furby needs to quiet down. We're gonna have to sell him quick. Oh, Hello Kitty. I know I said we'd go over everything at the end of the video, but we didn't find out until later on that this Hello Kitty hat is actually worth almost $50 in used condition.
It's fitted. But
Hello Kitty fitted
I
hat.
think that'd still do well.
There's a dealer. Chewed up on the back though.
Those hats are $1. All of them? Okay.
Yeah, what you got on your boots?
10.
Yeah, we'll grab these. These are Ariats.
Little
Yeah,
chewed.
it's only $1. We'll get it. Let's see.
I
Oop.
got 2 hats.
Was that Kentucky? That's Kentucky. And it's camo. And it's new.
The green.
All right, how many hats you got?
I have 2.
2. Okay, so 3 hats and the boots. So 13 bucks. You got $7 on you?
13.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. I woke the Furby up again.
Oh, no.
I'm gonna grab this little pin, like quill thing. It's at $2 on this. All right.
Can I get a dog toy?
Yes. $2 for that.
I have more options too. You want soft toy, hard toy?
Probably soft. Soft toys.
Look,
He likes those.
it's a squeezed cheese, made squeezed cheese. That's funny.
Squeezed cheese.
Oh wow! Look at this one. It's a breakfast sandwich. He said $2 each. So let's see. Probably.
I gotta be the least expensive seller you run into.
Yes.
Probably. Yeah.
I think
so.
you'll like this one. I think I want to get this one.
Let's just get two of them. I got 5.
Okay.
Oh, wait, these are cool. These ice sphere molds. $2 on that. I'll give you 5 for both of these. How about that?
All right, thanks, bro.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Little baby NASCAR jacket. That's pretty
Oh,
cool.
wow.
Honey Nut Cheerios.
That's awesome. Hello. What would you like for your jacket here?
$8.
$8. I'll do that. That's super cool. Old blend work socks. We can maybe use these for Iceland.
You need some. You
Yeah.
Need some
What about these?
probably.
5. Let me see what else I can add. I got $20 to save us from having to deal with change here. 8 and 5, so it's 13.
That's a 40. 40.
40.
A little too big for you.
A little bit. How much you want for those?
I do that with the even change.
$20 for everything? Okay.
A gift.
Oh, a
That's a
treat.
party pack for your dog.
Thanks, man.
you.
Appreciate you. That's awesome. Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate the deal. Jackets. We're good. We'll just throw everything in the wagon. Perfect dragon socks. Here.
We are. How about you?
Very good.
Good.
30 each.
Just bring a lot of my, my better, real good stuff that I have.
Sure.
People at wholesale too.
13s. Are the used ones 30 as well?
Nah, $20.
These are cool. It's like higher boots. I like the Ultras. $20 for these. And they're used, but they're in good shape. I think the only Merrells that might be worth it are these high top boots. These are men's 13.
Yeah, I saw those.
It's a good size. What you got on these two?
20 each.
20 each? Okay.
Yeah. Well, thank you guys.
Thank
Hey, man.
you.
What you got on your little clock here?
$5.
Does it work?
I do believe it does work.
Okay. Do you know if you have the car that goes with this?
No, we sold the car a couple of years ago.
Really bummed she didn't have the card to go along with this remote because this brand is fantastic. I think it's called Traxxas, and as you can see, even in used condition, these remote control cars can sell for hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So definitely be on the lookout for these if you can ever find one.
And then that surface,
Then you found this
or
after.
whatever.
Yeah. What you got on that?
5.
So 5. And then that little Pikachu thing?
This right here?
Yeah.
5.
What about those?
Well,
Yeah, all of them.
my husband don't want rid of the case, but
I don't need the case.
okay, I'll take 10 for all the.
Did you do 20 for everything? The cassettes, the remote, Pikachu, and the clock?
That'll work.
Okay. That. Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it. That last table is really good. Just this, I'm pretty sure this remote is Traxxas is like a very good brand of cars. Look how many batteries this thing takes. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 AA batteries. That alone is a good sign that this is good. So let's see if my instincts were correct. Like $30, $20 plus shipping, $30 free shipping, something like that. And we paid $20 for everything, so not bad. So here's everything we got at the flea market today, not including Moe's over here. We do have to talk about a couple things because apparently either I forgot to hit record while we were shopping at this one booth,
Or I lost the footage.
or Haley lost the footage. I don't know. But we got a couple things off camera. We paid $5 a piece for the St. Louis Cardinals vintage baseball pennants. I don't know what they're worth. I just thought, $5 a piece. Why not? Hey, that's enough. Between him and the Furby, we can't get him to shut up.
So many noises.
So $5 a piece on those. That was pretty cool. And then another booth, we got these 3 Funko Pops. This Ocelot's already sold over on Whatnot. I think we got like, I don't know, $18 or something for that one. We got those 3 Funko Pops. We got this red. We got this red rotary phone from, what was the brand? ITT. And I think, if I remember correctly, I think we paid like $30 for everything, like all the Funko Pops and the red phone. And this red phone is worth like 70 or so, 70-ish plus shipping. And then the Funko Pops are easy sellers and Whatnot all day long. The Furby's cool. We've got $25, paid $25 for him. He does work, fully functional. This is the, what was it, Giraffe Brown?
I think so.
Is that what the color was? Giraffe Brown fully functional should sell for like $60. So pretty good deal from Mitch over there. And then
We
of
need
course,
to do 2 things.
what's that?
We need to, 1, give Mose his main squeeze cheese.
Oh, yeah.
And 2,
And his-
unbox that Scooby-Doo.
Oh yeah, I didn't even open that before we bought it.
Yeah.
I gotta make sure it's all in there. And we have to give Mose his birthday dog kit. Oh, it has a hat and a...
And a balloon.
Oh my gosh. All right, Mose. You ready for this? What are you doing over there? Mose, come here.
What is
Is that a toy?
this?
He looks interested. All right.
Okay, come over here, Mose. Okay, let's do our tricks. Sit. Wait. Get.
We'll give him his treats later on. Let's see what else. We need to test this clock. She said it worked. Do you believe her? Plug it in. Let's find out. It's one of these vintage flip clocks. I think it's GE brand. If you guys ever find the clocks that like the numbers flip, generally they're worth a pretty good amount of money. I haven't looked up this exact model yet, but I think there was like a white one that was in a recent Taylor Swift music video. And I think that one has spiked in value a little bit because obviously it's in a Taylor Swift video. Light came on. That's a good, it's a good indication. I guess now we just wait for a minute. While we wait on that, I can tell you guys about this huge pallet of stuff we have in the middle of our... What, did it work?
It's going.
Oh, there she goes. 130, look at there. Works perfectly. Thanks a lot, Flea Market Seller. That's awesome. This is the lighted dial General Electric flip clock. So we'll look up comps on that in just a second. If you guys notice, we have a huge pallet back here. We paid $2,500 for this. We have no idea what's inside. So we're going to open that up in a future video. So if you guys are curious to see what's inside there, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss that video. What else we got?
I have been dying to look at this Scooby-Doo
Scooby-Doo
clock. So
phone.
let's open this. I said clock, but phone.
Can I help? I don't know what to do.
Push the box down.
There we go. Let's see.
Wow.
That's far more detailed than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah. So this is from, let's see,
Hey, Mose. New goods inspector. You got, oh, we got
2000.
2000. So
Telemania.
23 years old. That's really cool.
Really cool.
Yeah. I think I saw comps on this for like 50 bucks, 40 to 50 bucks plus shipping. Say, what did we get that? 10 bucks?
10 bucks.
Or $15 for that and the Millennium Falcon. It does work, but it does look like it's missing a couple things. Okay, but man, we got 3 things that make random noise. I'm not gonna touch it. Probably wouldn't have bought it, outright, but because he bundled it in with the phone, couldn't say no to that. We picked up all of these cassette tapes at that one table with some really good artists. We got George Jones, we got Charlie Pride, I can't say I know him. Oak Ridge Boys, Roy Orbison, just some classics. Not worth a ton. Probably you can get, I don't know, like 20, 25 bucks for the whole collection. And then underneath this Honey Nut Cheerios NASCAR jacket, kids, super small. What is it? Size 2T. I can't find an exact sold comp on this on eBay, but similar ones are selling for like 50 to 100 bucks. And they don't have the guy on it. They just have like the Honey Nut Cheerios logo. So I don't know. I think we'll probably list it for like 70 maybe. And see if we can get a buy on that over on eBay. I think we did overpay for this wrestler guy a little bit. I don't want to touch him because he's going to start talking. But I know that these like smash buddy things for vintage wrestlers can do well. But I think the ones that sell well are ones that are more popular, like Hulk Hogan and Randy Savage. Is that his name? Macho Man?
Heavyweight champion Randy Macho Man Savage.
I don't know, but I know they sell well. But this guy, I don't know his name, and looks like comps on eBay for him are like DDP. That's what they said, DDP. But he's worth like 20 bucks. So paid too much for him at 12 bucks. But everything else, I think we did pretty good on. If you guys had one of these Furbies growing up, drop a comment down below and let us know what color yours was. Batteries are out. He should leave us alone for the rest of the night, hopefully. Thank you guys so much for watching today's flea market video. If you want to see another one from us, you can click it right over here.